In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a helicopter on wheels in GTA 5. So as you can see here, this is the mod. It basically allows you to drive a helicopter as a vehicle, as a car. As you can see, it has 4 wheels here and it can drift. It's pretty cool, huh? So let me just leave and show you what it looks like from outside. So to start and download the mod, first you need to escape. Let me just and let me close down GTA 5. Okay, now I have closed it down. So to download the mod, first let's open Google Chrome and go to GTA mods. So under GTA 5 mods, type in MENYOO and go to this one right here, then download, then go to this next website, go to this one, then go to this and download, and then now you want to open the GTA 5 folder. So usually it's over here, and then you want to open your downloads. So this is the downloaded folders. So open the first one and copy this and copy this and paste here. Then go back and go inside this one, copy this one, and this one, and then paste over here. Once you do this, you can just go back to Epic Games and go to manage and make sure launch options is enabled, and you have this written down -no battle I. Then open the game. So once you have GTA 5 opened, to enable the mod, click F8, go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, funny vehicles, and you will find it under helicopter chassis. So this is how you enable it. Just click on it, and as you can see, this is the mod. It's basically a huge helicopter on wheels, and it's like a car, and it's huge. So you can't operate this, you can't fly it. So it acts just like a vehicle, like a car. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of these videos, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe.